CSV yummy recipes. Today I am going to share the recipe of Aloo Paratha. For this I am taking 2 cups of wheat flour, these are the boiled potatoes, this is the fresh mint leaves, some chopped cilantro, half cup onion, half teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Now I have prepared the dough for the paratha. For this I have added, for 2 cups of wheat flour I have added 1 cup of water, quarter teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Now I am allowing it to rest for 30 minutes. Now I have peeled and mashed the potatoes. For this I am adding cilantro coriander leaves, mint leaves, next garam masala, turmeric, chilli powder, salt, cumin seed, next and finally onion. For these are the finely chopped half cup onion. After adding the onion, mix everything well. I have mixed everything well. Now at this point, once check for the salt and other spices are okay. If you want, you can change ingredients and customize it in your own way also. I'm taking this dough. Next, I'm dusting it. Roll it. After rolling like this, I'm filling inside with the potato stuffing. Next, I'm filling it. I'm taking off the extra dough from the top. Close it from all the edges. Little bit flour and then roll it again. Very slowly on the edges. Don't roll it in between. If you roll it on the edges, the center part itself will become thin. Roll it very slowly or else the inside stuffing might come out. I have completed rolling, and on the other side, now the pan is heated. I am putting the paratha on the heated pan. After putting it in the pan, after 2 minutes, flip it, adding some oil to it. If you want, you can add butter or ghee, but I prefer oil, so I am applying oil to it. The other side also I am applying oil. allowing it to cook this side. I have added oil on both the sides. Next I am flipping it. This side it is cooked, the other side needs to be cooked a little bit. One side it is cooked. Let me check on the other side. Yeah, this is also cooked. I'm transferring it to the, I'm taking it into the plate. One side it is cooked. Let me check on the other side. Yeah, this is also cooked. I'm transferring it to the, I'm taking it into the plate. Now I'm going to show the other way. Just not rolling it, just preparing it with my hand. Keeping the potato stuffing inside. Now sealing the edges. Just pull it and seal it. Next, dusting it with the flour, rolling it very slowly on the edges. Don't roll it in the middle. If you roll it in the middle, the edges will be thick. The center part will be automatically become thin if you roll the edges. Slowly roll it. Yeah, my rolling is almost completed. Now transferring it into the tawa. Putting on the tawa. Let it cook for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. I'm flipping it now. Add some oil. Spread it evenly. Flip it. Again add little bit oil. Spread it evenly. Then flipping it again and cooking it now. This is one side it is cooked. I'm checking the other side. Flip it. Yeah, both sides are cooked. I'm transferring it into the serving plate.